Hello, welcome back to Curls by Charlene. Today I'm going to show you how to unravel twist outs. If you're interested to know how I did these twist outs, please watch my other video. I'll put a link below about the benefits of a leave-in conditioner, and I actually reviewed Shea Moisture, the Jamaican black castor oil, and that's all I used in my hair. So currently my hair is wet and the twist outs came out pretty well. Obviously there is some shrinkage, as you can see, but this is the dry results. Look at the difference. I did sleep with it overnight, so there's Happy Naturals. This is hair oil, argan and avocado. You must always use an oil to unravel your twist outs, otherwise you will have frizz central. You'll need to rub the hair oil on your hands and on your hair before you start unraveling the twist outs. Otherwise you are just rubbing your dry hands on your hair, and you know our curly hair needs moisture or some kind of slip to help it unravel. Now I don't usually have knots when I'm unraveling my twist outs. That's because I make sure I detangle my hair before and during the twist out. So if you are having frizz or knots when you're unraveling your twist outs, detangling is so important for the perfect twist outs. You will find that the more you detangle, the better your twist outs will come out. You will need to take time with your hair and feel it. Feel areas that need more products, feel areas that need detangling. I mean, is your hair dry and lacks definition? Well, it could be because you're not detangling properly, you're not using enough products, or you're using too much products, or you're not using the right products for the style you're doing. Generally, twist outs, you only really need a styler or a leave-in. I mean, you can use a gel, but it's not the best product to use. If your curls are not so defined, it could be that you're making twist outs that are too big. The smaller the twist outs, the better the definition. Look at the difference between the side that I've unraveled the twist outs and the side that still has the twist outs in. If you are just starting your curly hair journey, this is the best way to start and train your curls, is to do twist outs. This also helps with transitioning because then you don't have different curl patterns. I mean, obviously we all have different curl patterns, but this actually helps unify the curls. That's because twist outs actually train your curls and encourage your natural curl pattern. You will find when you do a twist out, and even when you're unraveling it, you will find your hair wants to naturally curl in a certain way. So whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, you will see the pattern that your curls tend to want to form. You will also notice that I've gone back to the curls I already unraveled, applied more oil to my hair. I used the praying hands method, so I'm not running my fingers through, but I'm holding the hair and pulling it down, and that actually helps stretch the hair slightly. Not much of a difference, but it does help to unravel it. You'll see you unravel a 2-strand twist and just keep unraveling. Right now my hair is looking very flat, so what you want to do is open up the twists even more to give the curls more volume. This doesn't actually take long because as you feel your hair, you'll feel, this one can be unraveled some more. You just naturally can feel where it needs to be unraveled. Maybe if you use a mirror, you can actually see where the hair wants to split, and then you unravel it there. But if you do this quite often, you'll just be able to feel, this needs unraveling. I must say, if you try and unravel it at a place that it's not meant to, you will feel a bit of tugging and you don't want to pull the hair violently. Just be gentle with your hair and it will thank you for it, because you don't want to have hair damage just because you're pulling at knots that you should have detangled in the first place and your hands are too dry to unravel the twists. It's already looking slightly better. There's a bit more volume, as you can see. This also is a big time saver. Like if you've got a rush somewhere, it's perfect because your hair is already set in the curls or the pattern that you've twisted it in, so you don't have to worry, oh, is my hair gonna look okay? Do I need to refresh? You're pretty much ready to go. And so now I'm fluffing out my hair with a pick, because that's the only disadvantage really of these twist outs, is that the hair is so flat. Like I want volume, I want big hair. So it's just pick, pick, pick. You can tell I used a leave-in conditioner because it is quite frizzy. The curls aren't so defined, but there you go. These are my results. I must say, because I only used a leave-in, these didn't last me for 7 days. I had to refresh after 2 days. Tell me what you think. How do you make your twist outs last for 7 days? Thanks for watching Curls by Charlene. Please like this video, please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.